What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And today's episode is I'm gonna share you how do I buy and resell sneakers from the Nike factory store. So before we dive into the tips and tricks, let me show you the actual videos on the Nike factory store. So let's go. Starting off here on the return aisle, we got the Nike Air Force 1 Low City of Dreams black, and the retail is $130. A nice combination of some kind of camo or some kind of skin, but I like this one. But hey, it's written shy on the back. What do you think on this one? Nice, huh? Simple though. How about this one? Pure all triple white, and we got some kind of patent blue leather and with some icy bottom, and it has some kind of lettering of 4 and Nike Air in the back. That's the icy bottom right there. Nice. And how about the triple black? Any thoughts? Would you grab this one? And we got the black satin right here, Jordan satin. Moving on, we got the Nike Air Max 90 City Pack Tokyo 2020. This one is just released, and wow, nice color on that one. And they were retail for $140. Well, what do you think? Nice color and some kind of lettering in the back. Oh, it says Tokyo on the tongue and some kind of gum bottom. Well, nice. Moving on with the Jordan React Havoc, one of the nice running shoes from the Jordan. And check that out. Oh, nice cool design, right? With the React and zoom on the bottom. Well, what do you think? I would cut them if they got a better price though. Probably somewhere $49. Next one, we got the Jordan Pro Max 720, and this one a nice basketball shoes, very cheap for $79.97 with the additional discount. And what do you think with the 30%? But some kind, this one, the green thing, it's kind of off, but well, it's still good for a nice basketball shoes with a good price though. Next one, the Jordan Mars 270. We got the black and anthracite gym red with some kind of patent leather. This one is much better if they had like additional lesser than the price. It's $79.99, kind of stiff, but probably maybe $69.99 with additional 30% off will be good ones. And check out this shutter backboard, $79.99. Well, I'll pass. This 270s is kind of a lot going on here in the factory store. And the good thing is still we have Jordans in my area though. And check this out, this clean bottom right here. Well, I'll wait. So what do you think on the Jordan Slide $24.99? No additional discount, but usually this one came out a little bit cheaper. But this one $59.99 with the 312 lows. Yeah, probably I'm gonna wait a little bit more for this one to drop a little more price or with additional discount. Maybe then. Next one, Jordan Max Aura. Well, what do you think on this one? We come the black patent leather. It looks like the 11s, right? This one is kind of look-alike of the Jordan 11. And this one comes with almost just, but the bottom is, it's not that the same. But if you look like outside, this one, same Aura and $89.99 with the price, I want it more cheaper though. Want it more cheaper. Well, what do you think? On that price, will you cap them? Well, next one, Jordan. Why not 0.27999? And this one, I'm gonna wait out a little bit more. It's almost there, almost there. This one is kind of nice, good looking basketball shoes, very comfortable probably, and $79.99 with the additional 30 might be, but now maybe not for now. Wait out for a little bit more. Next one, Air Jordan 10 Retro. It comes with the Racer blue colorway. $139.99. Well, you can't go around this price already if you like Jordan 10. I don't have one in the collection yet. This one you need to buy now because the only two stock. Nike Air Vapor Max Planet 2 is up, and this one, the price, not bad for this one because oopsie. All right, okay. Well, check this out. All right, the Nike Air Vapor Max Planet 2. Nice with this one. The Flyknit, it's not bad for the Flyknit, and the color kind of off with that color for men's color. I don't know, maybe next time. So Air Max 2 Light Premium. So what do you think on this one? Comes with $69.97 with the additional 30% off, and it's kind of dad shoes. Because kind of more chunkier, and $69.97 is not bad for the price. And they have full size run. Check this out, Nike Air Max 1. One of the classic. I like the color, simple black gray. $79.99 maybe if they had additional 30%. This one is not bad at all though. So next one, we got the Nike Air Huarache Run Premium. Some indigo or blue colorway with some red accent and speckle on the bottom. $59.97 with the additional 30% off. Very good, comfortable running shoes with that Huarache. Well, next one we got the Air Force One Composite Pro Cup, and this one comes with the snake skin style, and I was tempted to buy me this for a custom because this one's been sitting here forever. $79.97 with the additional 30, and no one buying it. And this is what we got today. We got the Nike Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2. As you can see, $79.97. And the other one is the Jordan Proto Max 720. There we go. And so this is what we pick up today. So let's see what we have in here. As you can see, we got the Jordan Jumpman here. Then number 23 on the box. And you know, it's already on the outlet. Boom. We got a nice Jumpman Jordan 2. And this is the Jordan Proto Max 720. The colorway is the wolf gray, black and gold or green. That one nice green colorway, and that one right there. The upper is mostly some kind of fabric, elastic fabric, some kind, and also a nice tab, also number 23 on the back, and the Pro on the tongue. Kind of Air Max 720 720 310 also, and Jumpman on the bottom right there. Nice color though. It's kind of, the thing is the green one, as you can see. And how much did I get them for? It is $79, and then $79.99 minus 30% and minus 10%, came down to $50.39. And this one, the retail, this one is $200 and came down to $50. And now let me show you why did I got them and how much they are reselling. Let's go on the eBay, and the one that I have is 9.5, as you can see right here. The lowest one is 129. They are selling at 129, 129.99 with shipping. Now how about if they are reselling, or is there someone buying them? And there you go, there's a completed listing or sold. One of the lowest one is 129 with free shipping. So let's say I wanted to sell it to 139. Let's say I want to sell it to 139 or 135 free shipping minus the $50, and then gonna have $60 return of investment. So that is more than 100% ROI with that one, right? So even though if I'm gonna go lower like 129, I still make 50% ROI on this one. So not bad for this one, right? $50 for Jordan Proto Max 720. I was very tempted to have them in the collection, but resell for now. So next one is boom. They got the Nike Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2, as you can see right there. And what is the retail on this one? 190. Got them for $79.97. And then how much? $79.97. So $79.97 minus 30% minus 10% came down to 50.39 cents. Now let's see how much we can make if we sell them. So let's check them out on eBay, and they are selling for $129.99 right there. As you can see, some of free shipping, and mostly are free shipping. So 129. Let's see how are they good if they were sold. So there we go. Some of them sold 120, 119. Some of them are free shipping, some of them are not. So let's just say let's sell them 120. So 50.39, sell them for 120 with free shipping, and it will be 44.29 return of investment after fees and shipping. Okay, so that is more than 50% ROI for this one. If I sold them 120 and free shipping, got them for 50 and 33 cents. So I bought them for 50 and 39 cents for the Nike Vapor Max Flyknit 2. Not bad for the price and not bad for the collection, but not for me. Not for me. Maybe resell for now. So what do you think on this purchase today? The Jordan Jumpman and the Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2. Which one would you cap for personal pair, or which one would you cap for resale? I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.